Hi everybody, and here's just a quickie. These are our Christmas potatoes, or ones we planted for Christmas, and basically you can only sort of just about make out the label. Well, I can't even make it out actually, but it does say Christmas time there. But when you actually dig down, they're still quite small at the moment. So yeah, look at them. They're a bit late because Christmas has been and gone. But I suppose we could have them as baby new or something like that. That seems to be about all there is there. That's a bit of a waste of time, isn't it? One, two, three, four, five, six, 9 potatoes. And it says plant now for new potatoes at Christmas. They're not very good really, are they? Anyway, so that's them. And we also did plant some more. This is it. This is grow your own potatoes at Christmas. And that's that bag there. And there's actually nothing at all in that one. I've just been through that. Can't even find the seed potatoes. So that didn't work very well. Anyway, that's just a quickie update there. Thanks a lot. Bye then.